In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44, your new go-to platform for building apps using the power of AI. We'll walk through the features, and by the end of our session, you'll feel confident navigating this user-friendly interface and bringing your ideas to life. So, let's dive right in. At the top of your Base44 interface, you'll see the top navigation bar, which functions as your command center. The Base44 logo on the top left of the screen is your home button. Whenever you click it, you'll return to the home page with a simple click. Now, right next to the logo, you'll find the Apps section. This is a goldmine of inspiration. By clicking here, you'll access a collection of example apps and templates created with Base44. Feel free to dive into these demos to clone or learn from them. Moving along, the Integrations tab is where you can connect with external services such as APIs or tools like Stripe and OpenAI. This feature enables your app to interact with real-world data and tools, expanding its functionality significantly. Beside it, you'll discover the App Templates option. These pre-made app blueprints, such as CRM or task trackers, are perfect for jump-starting your projects without starting from scratch. If you'd prefer a helping hand, the Hire a Partner section connects you with certified freelancers or agencies who can collaborate with you on building or scaling your project. There's also an opportunity to earn as an affiliate under the Affiliates tab. If you're a content creator or marketer, this might be a valuable revenue stream for you. For assistance, head over to Docs and Support. This area opens up the rich repository of documentation and support resources. From setup guides to troubleshooting, everything you need to navigate the platform successfully is there. Staying informed is effortless thanks to the notification bell that keeps you updated on changes or system messages. Now let's move to the main section, which is the heart of Base44, the App Builder prompt. Right in the center, you're greeted with a text inviting you to ponder. What would you build today? Go ahead, type your app idea in the text box below this prompt. Base44's AI is designed to comprehend your description and automatically generate your app structure within seconds. To submit, just click the orange arrow button, signaling "Let's go," and watch the magic happen. If you have specific design preferences, use the plus styling instructions option to detail colors, styles, or layouts before initiating the build. To spark your creativity, explore the bottom section, where idea suggestions await. Clicking tags like productivity or travel planning will populate the input box with example prompts, giving you a head start. Expanding the list with the More Ideas button reveals even more categories. Scrolling further, you'll encounter a curated collection of applications crafted by the community, showcasing what's possible. And there you have it, an intuitive, step-by-step guide to mastering Base44. I hope this walkthrough empowers you to create amazing apps and to explore the endless possibilities with Base44. Happy building!